I headed over to my local Home Depot and my local Lowe's to see which one has better detailing products when you're in a pinch. Now, I think all of us know that Harbor Freight is a great option for your detailing supplies. They have a full lineup of Meguiar's products, even their Pro line, including polishes and compounds and things like that. So really great choices there, along with all the polishers you need. Drying towels, regular microfiber towels, blowers, vacuums, they really have everything. But if you don't have a Harbor Freight near you and you're in a pinch, which one's better to go to? Home Depot or Lowe's? And I want to be clear about something, guys. Obviously, both these stores are nationwide, and each store will have a slightly different variation of products available. So this is specific to my two local stores, but let's go ahead and take a look. So first up, I headed to my local Home Depot, and they have a good variation of different products. They've always had some Armor All and Mother's products, but now they have really increased their offering, and they even have a special bundle for Mother's products currently. If you buy any 5 products, you get $5 off. But now on top of Armor All and Mother's, they actually have offerings from even Cerakote is now in their locations, which is awesome. They have a few of their products. We'll get into that here shortly. We also have some products from Turtle Wax, Stoner Car Care, Eagle One, and they even have some new tools for your detailing needs as well. So we're just going to start off kind of at the top here. Going to walk through it. They do have products from New Finish. That's an easy like hand applied polish that works great. So here is Eagle One Never Dull. This is a fantastic polish for your wheels, like your high polish chromes and things like that. Really, really great product. You're able to just remove a piece of the material inside. It has like some sort of a polish built into it, and you can rub and then just buff it off with a microfiber towel. Does a really good job. That's a great product. Moving on from there, we have some Rain-X products, and then we get into the Stoner Car Care. We've got Invisible Glass, and we have it both in an aerosol or a regular trigger sprayer. We also have their Trim Shine product. Now we get into the Turtle Wax line of products that they have. So they kind of have a good amount of things, just some basics, but they have their Dashing Glass. They have a couple of tubs, like the old traditional style in a tub, kind of go around the stuff that you probably saw in your dad's or grandfather's garage back in the day. And then they also have just a basic wax and dry. That's their #1 selling wax it states. Express Shine, which is basically a spray cleaner wax detailer type deal. And then they also have their Dash and Glass product. Additionally, guys, for your wheel and tire care, we have the Black Magic brand. I don't know how this is, it's bleach white or black white. I don't know what it is, but it is a fantastic tire cleaner, kind of the original white wall cleaner, but it works good on tires as well. Just, even if they don't have the white wall. And then we also have their no scrub wheel cleaner. I bought some of that. I will be testing that out and reviewing it in an upcoming video. And then their Tire Wet product also, which is just a really high gloss sprayable tire dressing. Moving on from there, though, we're going to go ahead and move down to the Mother's products. So we've got their just basic Carnauba wash and wax. We've got some Speed tar remover. We have this foaming wheel and tire cleaner. This is another one that I picked up to try out. It advertises as a touchless cleaner, so that'll be interesting. I'll be reviewing that later on. We also have some compound scratch and remover, so you can get stuff done. Synthetic wax, instant detailer. The Back to Black from them isn't my favorite product for sure. I mean, it's fine. It does a decent job, but with a name like Back to Black, I expect it to fully kind of restore the plastics. And instead, it's kind of more of a dressing I've always looked at it as, versus something like, Cerakote's Trim Coat, where it really does restore and bring the black back out of the product. So we'll get into that here shortly. They do stock that at Home Depot now. My store was out of it, but they do have the tag, so they do have that Cerakote Trim Coat there. But finishing up with the Meguiar's lineup, they also have VLR, which is their vinyl leather rubber cleaner protectant. Great little product. That's actually something that I think gets overlooked a lot. That's a good product for Mother's. Mother's is kind of an interesting one to me because it doesn't seem like they have a whole lot of innovation through their lineup anymore, but they just have some staples that they've carried on forever. They're always involved with big car shows and things like that. They bring their big semis out and stuff. So it's an interesting brand to me. It doesn't seem like they're pushing the envelope, but they still have staples that work really, really well. Moving along from there, guys, we have a more Mother's product, but they're sort of ceramic-based SiO2 infused products. Great as well. You have their car wash, you have their ceramic spray wax, and some other products. But then we get into the Cerakote lineup. Guys, so we have the Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. Out of everything that's there at Home Depot, if you want some long-lasting protection for your paint, that is where I would go. The Rapid Ceramic is a great product. We also have their headlight restoration kit, which is phenomenal. It makes it way, way easier. They have these wipe-on pads that remove a lot of the contamination out of the lens, the yellowing. And then it comes with a sanding block, so you can kind of cut out some of the leftover stuff, and then it'll also help the final coating to adhere to the product, to the lens well, so it holds on very, very nicely. I've done reviews on that product. It's fantastic. I'll try and link it down below for you guys. But I get constant comments from people saying how much they love that product. I do as well. And then, like I said, they also have the trim coat. My store was out of it, but they do have the tag there. Trim coat is phenomenal. Comes in these little wipes, works really well. But if you don't want it in a wipe and you want more control over the application, you can get their Pro Kit on Amazon. I'll link that in the description for you guys as well. And that way it's just in a liquid form. You can pour it on an applicator pad and apply it as needed. And then finally, guys, we're going to go down to some of the accessories that they have. They have this little 3-pack of cleaning towels. They're pretty small. They are not edgeless, quite thin on the microfiber. It's not something I would use in my car. If you want to throw them in the interior, have them there for, you know, when you're in a pinch, that's fine, but it's definitely not a go-to pack of microfiber towels that I would recommend. Plenty more out there that I would recommend over this for sure. They also use a little pin style to keep them all together, so you want to make sure you remove all of that, otherwise that'll be a hard surface in that. If you run it across your paint, it could definitely scratch, so just be careful with that. Moving on from there, though, they have the Shaggy Wheel Cleaner. This is basically a little wheel cleaner you can get into the barrel of the wheel behind like all the spokes and things. These are fantastic. Now this one, they have some that are, well, Home Depot doesn't. They just have this one. But traditionally they have more of a strong bristle type that you can get behind there. I personally do not like those because there's a lot of fling back. As you're agitating the product, you got a fling back in your face, and I don't like that. So I really like these microfiber style ones. Now, my favorite, this is off subject, this is not at Home Depot or Lowe's, but my favorite is the barrel blade from Autofiber. I offer them on my site, DTLRsupply.com, DTLR, and they just came out with the barrel blade light. As a $20 item, so you're matching the price on this, but way more functional. It's a bigger blade. The blade holds on and actually clips into the structure of the handle. You can unbutton it, remove it, wash it. Fantastic. Highly recommend that because they came out with that barrel blade light at that price point. I think it's probably the best all around at a budget friendly price. The barrel blade normal one has this rigid structure and it's phenomenal, and I absolutely love it. But again, if I was going to go with these ones available at Home Depot or the Barrel Blade Light, I would absolutely recommend the Barrel Blade Light. Really quickly, guys, I do want to note, if you see my hat here, I have DTLR Supply, DTLR Supply Co. hats available now on my website. So we have a traditional snapback in a green camo colorway. Really cool. We also have the same structured hat in the black. And then we also have these golf, they call them a golf style, but it's got the rope across the front, sort of an unconstructed hat where you can kind of flatten it out, but really cool as well. It has contrast lettering and rope on the black, as well as on the snapback, it's white. And then this one that I'm wearing, you can see the contrast on here as well. Really cool hats, go check them out. I'll link them down below. All right, guys, now it's time to head over to my local Lowe's to see what they have. Now, traditionally in the past, I've always noticed that Lowe's had a better selection in the car wash, car detailing segment than Home Depot. At least my local Home Depots, they were always pretty light. They had a lot of Armor All, like I said, which I'm not a huge fan of, and then just some Mother's products. As you saw, though, they really, really upped their game, and they have a lot more selection now, like tons and tons more, and the selection was quite good. Even those wheel brushes are decent for you know, if you're in a pinch and need something right away. So I like that a lot. But we'll head over to the automotive section at Lowe's and take a look at what they have. And honestly, I kind of remember it having more, but I don't know if it's just because the contrast of what I just saw at my local Home Depot now. Yeah, I mean, I think it's the same amount that they've always had at Lowe's. It's just Home Depot really stepped it up. I think everyone's kind of seeing what Harbor Freight is doing with all their detail products there, and they're trying to match that. So I'm assuming Lowe's at some point will start increasing their availability of products as well. But to start off, guys, we do have some products from Meguiar's. So this is their hybrid ceramic wax. This is a fantastic product. I really like this stuff. It smells good. It's really easy to apply. You can even spray it on wet. Fantastic product. Coming in around 20 bucks, I believe it was. And it's just, it's an easy to use product that works quite well. So I like that a lot. Now my store was out of it, but they do also carry the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer. So good to know there. Again, my store was out, but they do have it. Then we do have some Armor All products. We're going to get into car wash soaps, and we have the Turtle Wax Max Power car wash soap. This is an interesting product, and I did review it in the past. It doesn't foam super well, but the cleaning ability is pretty good. And what it is you can adjust the amount that you your dilution ratio, and the more product you use, it's an increase in pH, increases the cleaning ability. So it's a really nice, versatile product that you can kind of use as needed. So that's a cool product. I like that stuff. It's cheap. So it's nice that they have that in stock there. Now, they also have Stoner Car Care's Invisible Glass. They only have it in the spray-on version, not the aerosol version, but that's fine. We're going to keep moving on here. We go down to, again, a lot of Armor All product, guys. And I'm just not a huge fan of the Armor All lineup. It's okay. That foam can that they have there, the 2-in-1, is not... It's convenient because if you have a pressure washer setup, you can use it. It doesn't foam that well. And then if you don't, you have the garden hose connection point that you can do. And those don't foam well at all. But if that's all you have, then at least it gives you that option, right? Now, we do have the Eagle One Never Dull there as well for your wheels and things like that. And then we also do have Super Clean available at Lowe's, which is nice. It's a pretty strong degreaser for all those components that you need. You can dilute it down to use it for different areas. So great product there. Now, as far as tools go, Lowe's does have a brush kit, like a drill brush kit, which is very cool. 21 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can see exactly what it comes with. Obviously, no drill included with this. It's just accessories, but it's very comprehensive. But there is an issue, and we'll get into that one second. So we'll go ahead and pop this open. And there are polishing pads in this thing, and then you actually get a backing plate that you can attach to your a Velcro backing plate that you can attach to your drill, so you can use it for polishing headlights and things like that. So that's pretty cool. And then we have the cone style, kind of toilet brush style deal, which is nice. And the toilet brush head is soft enough to work on good surfaces, especially getting the carpets in the corners. Good to go. The other brushes, the yellow one and the black one, are both very stiff. I wish that they had replaced one of those with a white bristled brush that is much softer, because the yellow and the black they're too similar. They're both too stiff for me to comfortably use it on interiors. Now, you do get a smaller diameter white brush, and that is a nice soft bristle. That's where I would use it on interiors, but in my opinion, it's a little too small for that. I would prefer a larger brush. Additionally, guys, you do get some like scouring pads in that pack, which is cool. Not for me, not for the car, but just to have around the house. I think it's good. Now, the Home Depot really had products for everything. They had, your tire dressings. They had your tire cleaners. Lowe's was a little more general usage, not a ton of like anything specific, really. I mean, obviously car wash soaps and things like that, quick detailers, but like if you want to go into a deeper wheel clean, they didn't have the best selection for that. So I do have to give the win to Home Depot significantly, at least between my two local stores, right? For my closest locations, if I'm going to go to Home Depot or Lowe's when I'm in a pinch, it is now Home Depot. It was not in the past. In the past, it would have been Lowe's. So hopefully they stepped that up. I also have a Harbor Freight very, very near to me, in like basically right between the Home Depot and the Lowe's. So I would just go Harbor Freight personally. But again, in the world that we live in now, Amazon's a great place to get stuff. Very, very easy. You can get stuff on my website. I carry a lot of Kokemi products, some Geon stuff, the MJJC foam cannons. That's DTLRsupply.com. I will link that below. And then also the House of Rags has a bunch of products that are, it seems like exclusive to them, I would say. Stuff that you don't see other places. So interesting lineups there. The Clean by Pan lineup, which I did a review on some of their basics, some of his basic stuff, and so far I really, really like that stuff. Detail Co. I just got some Detail Co. products. I will be doing a video on that very, very shortly. Little spoiler alert, I really like it. But again, I'll do a full video on that here shortly. So tons of option, guys, but I just want to make this video really quickly. Again, when you're in a pinch and you need something quickly and you don't have a Harbor Freight, what's better between Home Depot or Lowe's? And at least for my local stores, it's Home Depot. So that's it for today's video, guys. I thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.